Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. We're continuing with the home tips if you are living in a condo. So today's tip is to regularly check your sewer lines and your pipelines where the most of the water's coming in and leaving your unit. Why do I say this? Well, you want to have a plumber or at least somebody who knows what they're doing to come and check your lines in your unit. Sometimes those lines can get backed up. And if you aren't diligent with cleaning out those lines and it causes a flood, you will be on the hook to pay for any damage. Yeah, that's right. And sometimes if your insurance company knows that you weren't doing regular maintenance, they could push back and not pay for any of the damages caused. So you want to be diligent within your unit. Yes, there's many advantages of living in a condo, and a lot of times you don't have to worry so much about, certain maintenance outside, any maintenance outside, shoveling the snow, etc. But when you're inside of your unit, you just want to make sure everything is pristine and that you're not going to have any issues moving forward. This is also a good opportunity to explain if you're doing renovations, like we talked about last week, that if you are going to do renovations, make sure that you have a licensed plumber if you're ripping out a bathroom, and they're checking the lines as well, because you want to cap that. And after the fact, after the new fixtures are installed, you also want to make sure they're not leaking, because again, if any of those renovation leaks causes damage on the other units, you're going to be on the hook. So you want to make sure that the plumber that you hire to do those renovations is also insured as well, to make sure that in case there is any issues that you are covered. Hope you enjoyed this tip. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.